Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we compare products to help you make smarter purchasing decisions.
Today, we have two dash cams that claim to capture the best footage on the road.
On the left, we have the Rove R2-4K dash cam, and on the right, we have the G-Pop dash cam. Let's see which one comes out on top.
When it comes to dash cams, video quality is everything.
The Rove R2-4K dash cam boasts 4K Ultra HD recording, allowing you to capture every detail on the road. With its revolutionary Super Night Vision technology, you can expect clear footage even in low light conditions.
Now let's talk about connectivity.
The Rove R2-4K dash cam comes with built-in Wi-Fi, allowing you to instantly view and manage your recordings on your iOS and Android devices. You can even download your 4K videos directly to your smartphone and share them with your friends and family on social media.
Moving on to additional features, the Rove R2-4K dash cam comes with built-in GPS, accurately recording your driving location and speed. You can even view your driving route on Google Maps using the app.
Plus, it has a wide range of state-of-the-art technology, including a supercapacitor, parking mode, motion detection, and emergency video lock.
The Rove R2-4K dash cam takes the crown for its exceptional video quality, connectivity, and additional features. And there you have it, folks. The Rove R2-4K dash cam takes the crown for its exceptional video quality, connectivity, and additional features. But hey, both cameras are great options depending on your needs and budget. Don't forget to check out the links in the description below to get the best deals on these dash cams.
If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more comparisons and buying guides. And remember, at Buy Smart, we've got your back when it comes to making smarter purchasing decisions.
Stay smart, stay savvy, and we'll see you next time.